Hello guys, do you speak English?
Yes.
My name is John. I'm from Spain. I live in America. This is my first day here in Steve, so I'm excited for the city. I'm looking for someone to show me around if possible.
Yes, we can. We know Steve very well. Name again?
My name is John.
My name is Nasser.
Nice to meet you, my brother. I noticed your city is very clean in here.
Yeah, it's the cleanest in Algeria.
It's really beautiful. That's the mosque there?
Yeah.
What's the story of this?
When they go to
To pray?
Yeah.
All right.
To pray,
They make this for cancer.
Okay, so they prepare for prayer in here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. So before you go to the mosque, you prepare yourself here and go to pray?
But the French
Oh.
people do it when they say I'm for water, they can't pray anymore.
So that's a monument
People
now.
come here and take photos too.
Oh, that's really beautiful. Families, tourists, maybe like me. Oh, what is this?
Special.
Oh, this is special.
Try it. Al-Biluz.
Ah. But you guys say Bismillah.
Oh my god, man. I have never tasted something like this before. This one is very great. I'll give it a 9
10.
out of 10.
I give it 10.
You give it 10? I give it an 11.
Oh wow, what is this?
Old mosque in Algeria.
Oh, that's the oldest mosque here in
Look, it's
Wow.
1845.
1845. Oh wow. Can we get in there?
Yeah.
I mean, that's really amazing. Oh, that's really amazing. Look at the beautiful minaret in there. This is where people pray?
Yeah.
That's really nice. So this is the oldest mosque here in the city or in Algeria?
In Algeria, you can say in Algeria.
In all Algeria. Oh, wow, that's really beautiful. الله يبارك عليكم خوتي. أنا Algeria. Yes, Algeria. والله يبارك شرفتوني شرفتوا بلادنا. I'm Algerian أنا جزائري كيما انتم. ما درنا هذا الكونسيبت هذه الفكرة جست باش نبينوا باللي الشعب الجزائري يدير المستحيل باش يستقبل الضيوف وهذا كان الكاميرا مان كان يصوركم من البعيد. صافي بليزر نبان تزيري. حسيت شويه تزيري. الصيف يعطيكم الصحه بارك الله فيكم على الاستقبال خويا نصر وامين. حبيت نهديكم هذه الهديه من فيرسال كره ارضيه ان شاء الله اللي تكون فان لكم دوروا بها العالم. مادام تسبيكيو اونجلي صافي بليزر. دوكا نبقى غير نقول لكم صحه فطوركم. نتوما قولوا لي في التعليقات شنو هي الولايه اللي راكم حابين نجي نزورها.